Born from the spirit of taking time and space to reflect, our piece is a kinetic sculpture that invites you to just pause and ruminate. The ribbons gracefully dance, casting a watery light, inducing a meditative state. The object can be viewed as your meditation partner. It only moves when a person is detected in its presence. The viewer, therefore, becomes a participant themselves. The object crafts an immersive zone where the fragile interplay of presence and absence takes precedence. The reflective ribbons, their liquid light in space, cast luminous reflections onto the machine's background. These reflections extend outward, projecting onto the surrounding walls, transforming the entire room into an active participant in the work's unfolding visual choreography. The object therefore expresses its affect across multiple dimensions, reflecting light onto both itself and the space. There is the same materiality, same motion, same rotation, but different visuals in different places. Therefore, when you sit in front of it, you see one affect on the object itself and one affect on the wall behind. In this space, the detailed visuals on the object evoke a sensation of the atomic. The diffuse visuals on the wall behind evoke a sensation of the cosmic. The reflective ribbons are rotated by two motors in a geared system at the back of the object. The same motion recurs over and over. When repetition is integrated with the participation of the space, the old affects evolve into a new intensity, a new energy. The combination of participant-induced movement and evolution through time and space imbues the object with its own corporeality. This was inspired by the dilution idea of affect and repetition. Observed from face on, the reflective ribbons are almost invisible, only revealed through shadow and reflection. Intended for a dimly lit room, the final piece will include a different type of integrated lighting. More powerful spotlights will create the same affect as the studio lights. All that is required for this experience is your presence. The liquid nature of the light points to the ephemerality and fragility of form. The object proclaims a desire to become instead of be, to unfold instead of form.